Hello, welcome to this week's Council Bluffs News. I'm Aaron Zach. The dreadful flu season is in full force as millions of Americans try to protect themselves from getting sick. Local schools encourage students to get vaccinated, and doctors at Methodist JENNIE Edmundson Hospital are testing patients to see if they have influenza. It's all part of the winter season here in Southwest Iowa. It's a simple message everyone hears all the time.
Get your kids vaccinated.
But sometimes we as Americans try to tough it out.
Just stay home, don't go out there, don't spread the germs.
Flu season is unfortunately here, and Methodist JENNIE Edmundson has been seeing more and more cases of illness since winter began.
So we've been seeing a lot of flu cases here in our clinic. We're probably still diagnosing 2 to 3 cases a day amongst the providers in our clinic.
A lot of cases indeed. Lewis Central says it's the parents' responsibility to have their children vaccinated before school starts.
We do encourage parents to get the flu vaccine for their children all the way down from pre-K on up. We do promote that through our school newsletters, but that really ultimately is a parental responsibility.
As for IWCC, making sure staff get vaccinated early is an advantage. Iowa Western offers a clinic early in the school year to help prevent the flu from spreading.
One of the things we did was back in October, we offered a flu shot clinic for our employees, and we had 98 employees that participated in that.
The flu season is in full swing now. February and March are the peak months of getting the flu. Doctors here at Methodist Hospital say getting a flu shot early can be the key to help preventing the flu.
And so if it's a good match, it hopefully will prevent you from getting the flu altogether. If it's not a very good match, sometimes unfortunately those people who had a flu shot will still get influenza.
According to the Iowa Influenza Surveillance Network, just in Iowa alone, the state hygienic laboratory has confirmed 45 influenza cases, while 93 influenza-related cases ended up in the hospital.
A lot of times if someone comes into my clinic with the flu symptoms, fevers, body aches, cough, I tell them, yes, it looks like you have influenza.
Eating healthy food and getting plenty of rest can help fight the flu, but nurses have other suggestions to help as well.
Making sure that you wash your hands, touching doorknobs at home if someone in the family has it, making sure that you wipe down doorknobs, faucets, those kinds of things.
In the end, we have to make sure everyone gets vaccinated because age doesn't matter when it comes to getting sick.
There are lots of cases in the last few years of children dying from influenza, elderly dying of influenza. So it is something that we need to take seriously. It might not affect me or you in the same way it could affect a newborn. And so just keeping that in mind for those of us that are young and healthy, that sometimes influenza can be deadly, and so we really need to be careful about it.
To stay informed on the influenza virus and other virus threats impacting the region, visit Iowa Department of Public Health website idph.iowa.gov.